What's going on YouTube? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset channel. In this video, I quickly want to show you how some of these channels over here are making anywhere between $9,000 and $150,000 per month. A more newer channel at this is making about $2,000 to $30,000 a month. This even smaller channel over here is making $1.2K to $19,000 a month passively. And this channel that just started this month is already making, I would say, $45 a month. Considering this is a new starting channel, this is not bad at all. This is one of 4 of their streams of income that I'm going to show you. And remember, the ultimate way to become rich in today's world is to have multiple streams of income. You can't become rich by only earning off your earned income. You need multiple income streams. In this video, I'm going to show you how these people over here have built up multiple streams of income, up to 4 of them, earning passively through these different 4 streams of income every single day. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? If you want to get tons of daily courses, daily free giveaways, cash giveaways, free paid course giveaways that I do on my channel, like this person on the screen over here won my course giveaway from yesterday's video. All you need to do is read the pinned comment down below and you can see how to claim that. Also on my YouTube channel, I'm uploading free 10 to 15 minute crash courses every single day on how I make money online. I do this full time from home while traveling, while having a lot of spare and flexible time in my day to do whatever I'd like. Living online, doing everything online has allowed me to buy my dream car, also to help a lot of people by giving back, by investing into charity drives, all sorts of things. And if you want to start your journey and reach some goals, whether it's financial goals, you want to get your first car, get your first house, or whatever it is, maybe just open up another stream of income, definitely leave a subscribe down below on my YouTube channel that you can get tons of advice and high income skills and tricks on how to do that. And also make sure to visit the first link in the description to see how you can get one-on-one video mentoring with me on my 6-figure drop servicing expert university. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into this video, which is a very powerful business model and probably one of the quickest ways to build a big business in today's world. Step number 1 is we're going to start a ClickBank. Now, before you click off, this is only one of the 4 ways that we're going to make money from this. Make sure to keep watching so you can see the 4th way of earning money from this and how you can set up 4 different streams of income from this. So first of all, if you can't set up a ClickBank, just quickly, it won't be long. In your country, all you need to do is you can come over to this website, bestdigitalaccounts.com/buy ClickBank accounts, and you can actually buy a verified ClickBank account off this website. That's basically what I did because ClickBank's not supported in my country, and I just changed the username to my own username, changed all the payment details to my own bank account, and from there I managed to use ClickBank and have a successful ClickBank account in a country that is not supported. So that's how I got around that, and that's how you can get around that. Once you've got your accounts, you can just log in with your accounts over here on the top right, and that's going to take you to the ClickBank affiliate marketplace over here where you can go choose your category. The exact category that we're going to be using today is called spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. Anything like in the motivational, manifestation, soul manifestation niche is what I'm going to be using for the strategy. So over here, you just want to sort the results by gravity, meaning these are the best selling products in this category right now, meaning most people are getting sales with it because it's a good product, it's selling well, people are rating it, meaning you can piggyback this trend. So over here, I'm going to use this one over here called the Soul Manifestation. Make $1,000 per day, and you're going to get $22.61 commissions profit. That's 100% yours every time you sell this product through your unique affiliate link. And take a look at this. This done for you landing page has already been created. You don't need to create your own website. You don't need to create any hosting or buy anything like that. This website landing page funnel to sell this product has already been created for you. You just need to go and promote this as an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to get passive income, money online, without doing a lot of work at all, because you're already promoting done for you winning products that you don't even need to create yourself. So like I said, let's keep this affiliate marketing product open here for now. We're going to use this at a later stage. Step number 2 is you want to come over to this website over here called Artgrid.io, where we can find tons of footage, stock free videos that we can download and use as our own. Now, it doesn't really matter what you choose. I mean, there's, for example, a sports team over here like giving a hustle in a slow motion. There's a lady walking her dogs. There's a man in an office. There's a lady driving in a car. It looks like sunrise. There's a person swimming. You can actually use any of these videos. It doesn't really matter, and why, it will make sense in a bit. Just make sure to keep watching, because we can turn all of this content into our own content, into quite a profitable business online. Step number 2 is we can use this website over here called Artlist.io, which is a website where we can go get any songs, music, background music, ambient, cinematic, classical, acoustic, electronic, soul and rap, Latin, any kind of music that you can think of, any background songs that you want without any copyright issues. This platform has been specifically made for content creators that want to use these music without having the issue of worrying about copyright strikes or monetization getting taken away. You're allowed to use these songs as your own in any of your videos. As an alternative to Artlist.io, you can also just use the YouTube audio library. It's songs YouTube gives you on your studio dashboard that they permit for you to use on any of your videos. And also a great alternative to Artgrid.io is Pixels.com, where you can get tons of videos and free stock content as well. So yeah, you can see it's like there's like a video of a city person at the beach, free videos in any different category you can think of that you're allowed to use. So definitely keep this website, pixels.com, Artgrid.io open in a tab, Artlist.io and the YouTube audio library open in this tabs over here. Step number 4 is to come over to Openshot.org, which is a free video editing tool that you can download on Windows, Mac, Chrome, any different platform that you can think of. You can have any PC in the world and download this. It's very similar to that of Adobe Premiere, Sony Vegas, those other paid tools. It does exactly the same thing, but since I already have Sony Vegas installed, I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do with this tool on my screen over here in order to build multiple streams of income around this little piece of content that I'm going to show you how to create. Over here I downloaded a couple of these stock videos of Artlist, Grid and Pixels.com that I thought was quite pretty, that has to do with views, the beach and another person on the beach, and then quite a calming nice song that I got off the YouTube audio library. This is all you need to do. Drag each and every one of these videos into your timeline on openshot.org so that it looks like this, so that your videos can play. All you want to do is then drag the song onto your grid over here and take a look at this. As you can see, it creates this very calming background music with even some nice visuals that people can watch if they want to, or just play it in the background while they're at home through their TVs on YouTube. I mean, I do that at home, or whether they're studying or just want to listen to some calming music. A lot of people are listening to this kind of content, and this is what I wanted to show you. These channels over here, such as Yellow Brick Cinema, Relaxing Music, take a look at how they're streaming probably 30, 40 plus videos at the same time. Do you want to know the secret on how they're doing this? This isn't actually live. They are just live streaming pre-recorded videos, and they are using a simple tool like this that allows you to stream pre-recorded videos as a live stream. Now you need to be careful. If you're going to stream a pre-recorded video of just like pictures and transitions and not like music or anything like that, something that's obviously not live, YouTube can pick that up and actually ban that video from being posted or streamed on your channel. So that's one thing you've got to be careful of. But obviously if it's like you're streaming a song over pictures that you can't really tell if it's live or not, YouTube won't pick that up and that will be perfectly okay. So this is a great tool to really use to grow your channel by live streaming pre-recorded videos. I've actually tried this once or twice myself. When I live streamed a video, it got 3 times more views in the first hour that I uploaded the live stream than that of a normal upload. So definitely recommend this if you're a new YouTuber, want to get a lot of ad revenue and get monetized super fast. And secondly, you want to use this tool called Video Marketing Blaster. All you need to do is enter a keyword on the screen over here. As you can see in the main keyword, just enter the following keyword: calming music compilation. And all this tool will do is it will generate a done for you title, tags and descriptions that you must just copy and paste into your video when uploading that on YouTube, and it will rank on the top page of YouTube and Google, getting you a ton of views. So what you can do is you can actually go and use this tool to rank your live streams on Google. Now when people see that you're live streaming, they want to click on your video because they want to see what you're doing, because they think that you're live, and that's how you get a lot of clicks and views to your channel. And these are secret tools that a lot of newbies, a lot of YouTube content content creators don't know. So regarding these tools, if you want to grab both these tools, I will leave both links down below in the description of this video. If you want to go and grab these tools, they're very cheap. This one's $39. This Video Marketing Blaster tool is only $27. The best investment you can make as an online entrepreneur to rank your content, rank your videos, rank your promotional videos without any SEO, fancy skills or anything like that. This tool will do all of that hard work for you. And when you're uploading on YouTube, don't forget to put an affiliate link to some product relaxing niche or self-manifestation product that is related to the calming and you could say meditating niche and music that you're uploading to your channel, because it's going to be weird if you're promoting a sports product on a calming meditation channel. It's just not going to make sense. You want your product and your channel niche to fit, so don't forget to leave an affiliate link in the description of your videos to get affiliate sales from all the views that you get on YouTube. The third way, this is still not done, there's still a fourth way, and the fourth way is the way you're going to make the most money from this. But the third way is you can actually bring out merch. So you can click on the Start Designing tab over here on teespring.com. You can just log in with your account. And over here you can design phone covers, staple tees, face masks, accessories, home products, conscious collection as color collection, digital planners, audio files, image files, hoodies, t-shirts, leggings, anything you can click on. So let's just start with a blank white hoodie. All you do is just click on one of those, just choose, for example, a classic pullover hoodie, click on Start Designing. You can add your own text, images, you can add like a meditation logo on this and sell this as merch through the description of your videos and get tons of sales from there. So now you're making money from ad revenue, you're making money from merch sales and affiliate links. The fourth way that you're going to make money from this is you want to come over to a website called boulderall.com over here. You can log in over here, you can choose one of their plans over here. This is more a paid tool that will cost you $29 a month, but I mean one affiliate sale will pay that off. The whole point of this is what your dashboard looks like. You want to build and collect leads, build an email list by giving giveaways. So I'm just going to quickly show you a couple of landing pages that we can create with Boulderall. Just waiting for this to load up. All you do is you just click on create site over here. Let's just go choose professional templates. You can actually import done for you templates already, and let's just take a look here. Let's just come over to this one over here. So I'm going to click on preview, which will take me to this landing page over here. So take a look at this. The whole point of this is you want to give people away free ebooks, free whatever it is. So just come over to a website called IDPLR. Just type that in Google search bar, click on it over here. It's idplr.com. I'm just waiting for this to load up. Internet's a bit slow. Over here, just come to the search bar, or come over to, I would say, products over here. Come over to ebooks, let's just say with giveaway rights, because you're giving it away. It'll come up on this page over here with a whole bunch of ebooks that you can give away. So for example, this is actually perfect. The 30 days of motivation perfectly fits your niche. So all you can go and do is you can create a quick landing page on here with boulderall.com, collect emails, and you want to send out promotional emails to that whole email list. In return to your leads, you're giving away this free 30-day motivation ebook. And now I've personally collected an email list of about 12,000 people, and now every time I send out a promotional email with an affiliate link, let's just say 10 people at $20 a commission, let's just say 10 people out of those 12,000 people convert, times $20 is now $200 a day. But now with 12,000, sometimes even 100 people convert. So let's go 100 times 20. That's now $2,000 in a day you can make off affiliate commissions with an email list of 12,000 people. That's how powerful this is. Now imagine sending out emails every single day, updating people with your music. It can get tons of views on YouTube. So hopefully you can see how I've built a whole business around YouTube in this video right now. That number one is being actually making YouTube videos, this being the motivational niche and relaxing music niche, merch, affiliate links, and building landing pages and collecting an email list and monetizing that in various different ways as well. And 3 out of these 4 ways are completely passive. All you need to do is actually create your content, and from there the content is going to do all of the hard work for you. Alright guys, so I decided to show you a little bit of a sneak peek or a secret that only those that decided to watch until this far at this point in the video. This is the back end of my 6-figure drop servicing expert university. This is a course that took me about 7 months to build, with over 57 in-depth videos. That's basically one-on-one video mentoring with me that holds your hand and basically designs your successful drop servicing store with you. Now, what this teaches you in a nutshell is it teaches you to sell rare high-income skills and services that people will pay you hundreds to thousands of dollars for. And you literally need to take 10 minutes when you paid $1,000 for that project, for example. Don't worry, I show you how to get the right leads, clients, and actually create high converting businesses. My top store made about $228,000 in 2020 alone. I show that in the introduction video over here. And you don't even need to do these high income skills and services yourself. All you're doing is you're outsourcing it through other people, experts online that charge very low money for that, and you're adding 80 to 300% markup. So very similar to that of drop shipping, but instead of products, you're now drop shipping services. So your profits, your margins, and your revenue per sale is far higher than drop shipping. You're looking at anywhere between $100 and $500 profit per sale, as with drop shipping, you're only making maybe 5, 10, 30 to 40% profit per sale. That includes ads. In this course, I actually teach you how to drop service for free without a website. And over here, I actually give to you on the left over here a done for you drop servicing agency that personally generated me $90,000 in 2020. Why am I doing this? To help you out and kickstart you, because I've already got multiple other successful stores running. I decided to take one of those, put that in my course as a thank you for joining this course. So if you want to get into this bootcamp over here, all you need to do is click on the first link in the description. There's a free training there. Lower down that page, you can read through what's included in that course, and you can check out with that over there. But without further ado, make sure to click on the first link in the description, and I'll see you over here.